Here are 3 ways to make a sticker outline. I'll first start with the star. I'm going to tap on the star to select it. Then in my inspector panel, I'll select the brush icon. Scroll to the very bottom in the path menu. Then I'll select Create Offset Path. This slider determines how thick your offset will be. I'll go around the 40 mark to emphasize the shape so that you can see it better. Now click Create Offset Path, and I'll change the color to white. So that will be it for the first method. For the second method, I need to make a duplicate of this. I'm just going to click on duplicate mode right here on the left. Swipe down. Then I'll deselect duplicate mode. I'll go ahead and name them so that I can remember which is where. So this will be the sticker layer. So basically I would need to combine all these paths so that I can make the sticker. So I'm using 2 fingers to swipe down to select everything. Then I am going to the path menu and I select combine. I'll change the color to white. Then I will just stay here in this menu, scroll to the very bottom and click offset path. And as usual, I will set it to 40 for emphasis. Then I'll click create offset path. I'll just drag this up to cover that sticker. The third method may seem a bit unnecessary, but it may come in handy, so I'll still show it. I do need to make a copy, so I will swipe down to make a copy. Now I'm going to deselect duplicate mode, and I would like to name my layer so that I can know which is where, and I'll call this the sticker. I'm just deleting the bubbles layer because I don't really need it. I don't need most of these things. But even if you want to keep everything, you can. So now I'm just going to 2-finger swipe down to select everything. And I'm going to go to my shape builder tool on the left. And I'm just going to start coloring like if I'm a 2-year-old. Perfect. So we're done here. And then the same will apply. We'll just make it a sticker outline. Now let's go into the layers menu. Let's make sure this is one curve file. It is. And then the same applies. We're going to click on offset path. And it's 43, but it's okay. I'll click create offset and I will change the color to white. And I'll just zoom out a bit so that you can see what's happening. Now it's time to drag this on top. And there you have it. 3 ways to create a sticker.